guys, and welcome to Hampton, your house, ready for some Christmassy vibes. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Belle and I'm so happy to have you here. My channel is all about bringing the Coastal Hamptons vibe to your house, one DIY at a time. And if that sounds good to you, I would love for you to consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell so you know when a new video is up. So today we're going to be decorating my Christmas tree with the Coastal Hamptons vibes. So not just coastal, but fresh, breezy, natural colours and ocean colours. Not too many ocean motifs this year, but a little more classic and relaxed. Relaxed, classic Hamptons. I'll have a few little DIYs and tips for you throughout the video, so make sure you watch right to the end. Let's get decorating. I've already put all my fairy lights on, and now I'm starting with some wire-edged ribbon. Cut it into sections about 40 centimeters long, and then you can do a big loop like this, or you can make it into a little spiral, which I ended up liking better, and I changed most of these later. To make a spiral, just wind the ribbon around your hand, then pull the end down and tuck it into the tree. If it won't stay, you could use some twist ties to hold it in place, or even a little bit of sticky tape. I have white and gold sparkly ribbons. I really wanted a Hessian or burlap ribbon, but I couldn't find any in the shops near me. But if you're going for the coastal theme and you see some in the store, definitely get it. It's perfect for this theme. Next, I'm adding some white twigs and branches to kind of add a driftwood element. This was a super easy DIY. I collected some dry sticks, got out the white spray paint, gave them a good coat, and they look amazing. These would look great in a vase too, or as a table centerpiece. Some baubles now. I have some really nice sized navy ones, then silver, and then some beautiful natural fibre twine ornaments, which brings me to my next DIY. You'll need some jute twine, baubles that you don't need anymore, like this one which accidentally got decorated last year, scissors, glue gun, and spare glue gun sticks. Put a little dab of glue at the top of the ornament holder and glue down the end of your string. Then add glue all the way around the top and stick down the string, then spiral your way all the way around the ball, making sure you get your rows right up against the previous one. After you've done a few rows, you can just glue down a few points along the string, but after you get past the midpoint of the bauble, you need to glue the entire piece of string down all the way around so it doesn't slip off. These jute twine baubles look so professional and effective. Next, I have some beautiful small copper baubles and some white and light blue ones from a previous year, which really add to the coastal theme. And for our last DIY, we're going to make some flower picks simply by getting these bunches of white poinsettias and cutting them into individual flowers. Then you can just stick them into the bare spots in your tree. I'll link everything for you below. And here's our finished coastal Christmas tree. Thank you so much for watching. It's been so much fun coming up with the ideas for this one and putting it all together. I hope I've sparked some ideas of simple things you can do for your own Christmas tree decorating. And just a little pep talk. Remember, Christmas is not all about decor and food and presents. It's about faith and family, so I hope you have a relaxing time in the lead up to Christmas. Remember to take time to just chill out if you need to and refocus on the important things. I know how busy it can be. Don't forget to check out my other Christmas and Hampton style videos. Please subscribe, I would really love to see you back, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.